Hi, welcome to ProgressMobility.com. My name is Derek and this is the GoGo Sport 3 from Pride Mobility. The Sport 3 has a 325 pound carry capacity. It runs at 4 miles per hour and it has a massive 13-mile range. Watch how easy this scooter breaks into 5 pieces. So, if you would like to get the GoGo Sport 3 at the guaranteed lowest price in the country, give us a call to hear our unpublished rates. You'll be surprised how low they are. Thanks for watching.